Get ready for the dictation at the rate of 150 words per minute English shorthand skill test special dictation on the topic of Delhi High Court orders restoration of Cockroach Janta Party's X account, that is Abhijeet Dipke, for all skill tests for the government examinations. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, start. The Delhi High Court, through an authoritative pronouncement delivered by Justice Swarnakant Sharma, has directed the immediate restoration of the official X account belonging to the Cockroach Janta Party. This development marked the culmination of a contentious legal battle centered around digital freedom, state censorship, and political satire. The platform's original handle had been abruptly withheld within India following an executive directive issued by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The impugned blocking order had been executed under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act 2000, read with statutory rules promulgated thereunder. The petitioner, Abhijeet Dipke, who is the founder of the satirical movement, had moved the High Court seeking a writ of mandamus to quash the administrative action, asserting that the blanket ban was completely arbitrary and a disproportionate infraction upon the fundamental right to freedom of speech and expression guaranteed under the Constitution. The factual matrix reveals that the digital collective emerged as a viral phenomenon following remarks made by a high judicial dignitary concerning unemployed youth, which triggered a wave of internet mockery. Within a short span, the movement gathered substantial momentum across social India, positioning itself as an independent platform dedicated to holding public authorities accountable through humor and sharp political commentary. However, the rapidly rising popularity of the handle caught the attention of intelligence agencies, which provided confidential inputs to the central government regarding potential threats to public order. Acting upon these intricate security evaluations, the competent authority directed the intermediary to restrict access to the account, thereby precipitating the legal challenge. When the matter was initially brought before the High Court for adjudication, the bench declined to grant immediate interim relief. Instead, the court relegated the petitioner to the statutory review committee established under the Information Technology Rules 2009, directing the body to examine the legality and sustainability of the black. During the subsequent final hearing, the litigation witnessed a dramatic turn around when the central government, represented by the Land Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, formally considered that the state no longer harbored any objection to the restoration of the petitioner's digital handle. Elaborating on the underlying rationale that had promoted the initial restrictive measures, the top law officer submitted that the blocking directive was essentially a temporary measure designed to prevent public chores. The government contended that the handle had actively published sensitive commentary at a highly violent juncture when the national eligibility cum entrance test re-examination was scheduled to take place across the country. The state harbored an acute apprehension that hypercritical or inflammatory satirical posts circulating during that critical window could potentially create widespread confusion, panic, and distress among lakhs of vulnerable students, aspirants, and their anxious parents. The Solicitor General emphasized that the executive intervention was never intended to permanently stifle democratic dissent but was executed strictly to preserve public tranquility during a high stakes academic exercise. Consequently, since the retest had successfully concluded without any untoward incident, the primary emergency context that had entirely evaporated, rendering the continuation of the blacking order redundant. Appearing on behalf of the petitioner, senior advocate Akhil Sibal vehemently contested the constitutional validity of the government's approach. The Land Council forcefully argued that a wholesale termination of an entire social media profile represents a disproportionate infringement of digital rights. He maintained that if specific individual posts were deemed objectionable, the authorities should have surgically restricted access to those items rather than annihilating the entire digital identity of a movement. The petitioners' counsel underscored that political satire is a core component of democratic discourse, and using national security provisions to suppress parody sets a dangerous precedent. It was submitted that administrative bodies must strictly adhere to the principle of least restrictive means while regulating speech, ensuring that the remedy doesn't turn out to be more damaging than the perceived harm. The delay in resolving the issue had caused prejudice to the collective's online presence. Taking note of the explicit concessions made by the State Justice Swarnakant Sharma observed that the primary concern, which formed the bedrock of the initial blocking action, had completely ceased to exist. The court held that since the underlying cause linked to the NEET examination had successfully concluded, the state's apprehension was no longer relevant to the ongoing maintenance of the digital restriction. Accordingly, the High Court allowed the writ petition, formally evoking the executive blocking order and directing the immediate restoration of the account. While disposing of the matter, the court recorded the government's oral observation that social media users must exercise a greater degree of care and be more circumspect while navigating sensitive national issues. This land order reinforces the vital principle of digital jurisprudence that state imposed restrictions on free speech cannot be maintained indefinitely as a matter of administrative habit and must dissolve immediately once the material necessity for their enforcement has passed. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. If you want to encourage our channel, please join to the join button.